Today I'm going to teach you how to change headset and speaker settings in Microsoft Teams. This is especially useful when you need to switch between different audio devices during meetings or ensure your sound output is going to the right device before an important call. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Teams window right beside your profile icon. You'll notice three dots there which represent your settings menu. Click on those three dots and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main settings panel where you can configure various aspects of your Teams experience. Once the settings window opens, look over to the left side where you'll see a list of different setting categories. Find and click on Devices. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your audio and video hardware preferences, making it the go-to place for any headset or speaker adjustments you need to make. Now, you'll be in the Devices section, and here's where the magic happens. Look for the Audio heading, and beneath it, you'll see an option labeled Speaker. Next to Speaker, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available audio output devices connected to your computer. This could include your built-in speakers, external speakers, various headsets, or any other audio devices you have connected. From this drop-down list, simply select the speaker or headset you want to use. Teams will immediately switch your audio output to that device. This is particularly helpful if you're switching from your computer's built-in speakers to a headset for better audio quality, or if you need to change devices quickly before joining a meeting. You can always come back to this menu to switch devices whenever you need to, making it easy to adapt to different working situations throughout your day. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to manage your audio settings in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.